problems relating to this topic. First one, find the equation of the lines of intersection of the plane 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0 and the cone 4x square minus y square plus 3z square is equal to 0. We given that equation of the cone is given and the plane is also given. We have to find the equation of the lines of intersection of the plane and the cone. How to calculate, how to construct the required lines. The given data can be written as, take the equation of the cone 4x square minus y square plus 3z square and the plane 2x plus y plus minus z is equal to 0. From plane we have drs 2, 1, minus 1. From the cone we have 4x square minus y square plus 3z square. That means a, b, c values are 4, minus 1, 3. Now we will calculate the line, equation of the line. We already know that the plane and the cone intersecting and passing through origin automatically. There is no d value here. So x minus 0 by l is equal to y minus 0 by m is equal to z minus 0 by n. So each ratio can be equal to some k or some other one. Now automatically you can substitute x is equal to l, y is equal to m, z is equal to n in the cone equation. You will get 4l square minus m square plus 3n square is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Substituting the values of n is equal to, I will calculate 2l minus m is equal to 0. So same will be substituted in the plane also. You will get 2l plus m minus n is equal to 0. Here n is equal to 2l plus m. That can be substituted in the relation 4l square minus m square plus 3l square is equal to 0. After getting, you will get finally 4l square minus m square plus 3 into 2l plus m whole square is equal to 0. Finally you have 8l square plus 6lm plus m square is equal to 0. So factorizing this equation, you will get 2l plus m into 4l plus m is equal to 0. 2l plus m is equal to 0 and 4l plus m is equal to 0. Again separating them, you will get 2l plus m is equal to 0. That means n is equal to 0. You will have l by 1 is equal to m by minus 2 is equal to n by 1. Similarly, 2l plus m minus n is equal to 0. You have 4l plus m is plus 0, that is equal to n is equal to 0. Finally, you have l by 1 is equal to m by minus 4 is equal to n by minus 2. After getting, that means l, m, n values, we will rewrite the required lines as x by 1 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to z by 0. And second one is x by 1 is equal to y by minus 4 is equal to z by minus 2. We have the set of l, m, n values as 1 minus 2 0 and 1 minus 4 minus 2. That's why we are getting the two lines. That means we already told in beginning the intersection of the lines, you may get the angle, automatically angle will be formed. That's why we will get two lines. We discuss the another problem. Find the angle between the lines of intersection of the plane x plus x minus 3y plus z is equal to 0 and the cone x square minus 5y square plus z square is equal to 0. The solution is, as we discussed it in the first problem, Find the lines of intersection of the plane and the cone. So up to that, that means we have to find the lines x by L1 is equal to y by M1 is equal to n z by N1, and x by L2 is equal to y by M2 is equal to z by N2, like that. After getting these two lines similar to the first model, you can easily calculate the angle between the intersection of the lines or angle between the cone and the plane. I have already given tan theta is equal to, that is a very complicated one. The easiest way is to find the angle between these two lines by using cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 by root of L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square root of L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square. This is the easiest way and very simple one. You may easily get the angle. So this procedure is adopted. Okay. So as per the first model, I will calculate the two lines, the lines of intersection in the similar way. Solution: given the cone equation x square minus 5y square plus z square is equal to 0 and the plane x minus 3y plus z is equal to 0, you can take one line x by L is equal to y by M is equal to z by N. Automatically you can understood that x is equal to L, y is equal to M, z is equal to N. Substituting this in the cone and the plane, you will get L square minus 5M square plus N square is equal to 0. That is equation 1. And also in the plane, L minus 3M plus N is equal to 0. Now from L minus 3M plus N is equal to 0, we find N is equal to L plus M is equal to L plus N by 3. Whatever be the value, we need one parameter can be eliminated. So M is equal to 1 plus N by 3. This can be substituted in the cone. That means L square minus 5M square plus N square is equal to 0. Substituting them, you will get L square minus 5 into L plus N by 3 whole square plus N square is equal to, simplifying this one, you will get, ultimately you will get 2L square minus 5L N plus 2N square is equal to 0. Factorizing this one, 2L plus 2L minus N into L minus 2N is equal to 0. So 2L minus N is equal to 0 and L minus 2N is equal to 0. These are the factors. So using this one, first one, solving this one, L minus 3M plus N is equal to 0 and 2L minus N is equal to 0. You will get L by 1 is equal to M by 1 is equal to N by 2. Solving. Again solving, L minus 3M plus N is equal to 0 and this one, N minus 2M, M minus 2N is equal to 0. You will get finally L by 2 is equal to M by 1 is equal to N by 1. So what we required, the lines of intersection of the cone and the plane are nothing but x by 1 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 2 and x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 1. We need only DRs or DCs. That means L, L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. These values are required. Now angle between these two lines is given as cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 by root of L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square into root of L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square. Substituting these values, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5 numerator by root 6 use 6, 5 by 6. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse 5 by 6. If you are using the calculators, 5 by 6 can be automatically in the decimals. That gives 0.8, nearly 0.8. Or you can stop up to this stage. Theta is equal to cos inverse 5 by 6. Or if you are perfect in giving the angle, you can use the calculator and get the actual, what is the real angle between these two lines.